Sometimes you need to identify or verify the changes made to a PDF. You can easily do so with the comparison feature of Foxit PDF Editor Pro. Let's see how simple it is to check the differences between two PDF documents. Here is a patent agreement between a company and a contractor. In the first tab, we have the original contract issued by the company, and in the second tab, we have the contract sent by the contractor with his edits. To see the differences between both documents, go to the View tab and select Compare. On the right side, we will choose the original contract, and on the left side, we will select the modified agreement. Next, click the Options button at the bottom. Select the kind of changes you would like to track. For this case, we will check Compare Text Only and Detect Page Deletions or Inserts. To customize the legend, we can change color, opacity, and line thickness to personalize it to what works best for us. Finally, if we want to keep the current properties as a default for future comparisons, check the last box. In this case, let's do that. Then click OK to compare the versions. Foxit PDF Editor Pro will provide a summary report with the differences found between the versions. We can see here a number of insertions, replacements, and deletions were found. Also, you can see them classified by color. To see the detailed information on the differences, click over, go to First Change. As we can see on the last page, the word contractor was deleted in the new agreement. Also, the word OHA was replaced and a new sentence was added. Start comparing your PDF documents now.